everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is August Nicole. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss out on my videos. And today we are doing a hair vlog. I am getting my hair braided today, so just sit back and watch the process. Right here I'm just showing y'all the products that I will be using. I got all these from my local beauty supply store, and also in this clip I will be showing y'all how I am getting my natural hair ready so my hair could be up for a while. And yes, y'all, I still do use relaxers, so don't come for me. I know a lot of people don't use relaxers anymore, but I do. My hair, my life. But y'all just sit back and watch the video and just watch the process and to see how everything is going to turn out. Right here I'm just moving the relaxer in so my hair could be straightened. Well, not my hair, really just the roots of my hair, so it could be straightened out so these braids can be looking snatched. Okay, y'all, here is the braiding process. This is how it's looking. I really like the way that she blended in the colors. I'm really liking the highlights and all that good stuff. And I also got the braided hair from my local beauty supply store also. And she is using the rubber band method, and I have noticed with the rubber band method my hair stays up longer, and this is just an easier process. So let me know in the comments, have y'all ever done the rubber band method before? Okay, y'all, this is the result of me getting my hair braided. I think my cousin did a good job. I mean, she is a beginner, but she can braid hair pretty good, and I do like the way that she mixed my colors in together. I think it's very cute. I really like that. I got, you know, some highlights going on up in her, and she crinkled the ends for me, and that is pretty much it, y'all.